complete antenna shown in the video is an Andrew antenna, which has a tilt mechanism that must be assembled to the antenna. Make sure to use grease in the marked places indicated on the video. Using grease will prevent seizing between bolts and nuts. You should also use grease on the bracket that connects directly to the antenna to make the up and down alignment smoother. Short bolt as the pivot bolt in the middle of the bracket. Before connecting the OMT, make sure the O-ring is in its proper place on the antenna side. Use a 13mm wrench to tighten the OMT bolts to 20 Newton meters. Make sure to locate the bolts in the middle of the oval holes and to cross-tighten them. Before connecting the radio to the OMT, make sure that two O-rings are in their proper place. Use a 6mm Allen key to tighten the bolts and torque to 20 Newton meters. Cross-tighten the bolts. Use a 17mm wrench key to tighten the nuts connecting the alignment mechanism to the pole. Torque to 38 Newton meters and make sure the antenna is in the required azimuth before tightening.